Hello everyone, welcome to Trini Can Cook. Friends, today I'm going to be sharing a very delectable, sweet, creamy and tasty fruit salad with all of you guys. This is a very quick and easy dessert recipe you can whip up in 10 minutes. It's great for birthday parties, weekends, potlucks, and even for New Year's. Best of all, it tastes so good your family and friends are going to love this. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Here I have 1 can of fruit cocktail, which is about 2 cups, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of mini marshmallows, 1 cup of sour cream, some maraschino cherries. I picked the cherries out from the fruit cocktail just for decorating purposes, and some I had on hand. Some whipped topping, and here I have some Mandarin Oranges, which I got from Walmart. So I'm just going to drain this and set aside. Okay, so let's get started. Into a large bowl, add your fruit cocktail, sour cream, marshmallows, your shredded coconut, and the Mandarin oranges. The oranges add a nice tangy taste to this dessert. And your whipped cream. Just mix everything well. And the sour cream gives it a really smooth texture and makes it so creamy and yummy. The sour cream is a secret ingredient which gives it a delicious taste, added to the chewy, fluffy marshmallows. So once you have mixed everything together, you are just going to sprinkle some coconut on the top and finish with adding your cherries in the middle. And I'm going to show you how we serve this now. So to serve, just pour a scoopful or 2 into a clear glass or cup and top with some shredded coconut and cherries. Whoa, this looks so good. Can't wait to enjoy it. So that's it guys, my tangy but sweet and creamy and delicious fruit salad dessert. So now you can go ahead and serve and enjoy this. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.